Hey guys, what's poppin'?
Hey Spices!
We want to wish you happy holidays.
We wanted to thank you guys for being a part of our family, our Spices, and to celebrate the holidays we wanted to do a giveaway. So we have teamed up with our friends at Wambashan to do a special holiday giveaway. So the products that we are giving away are...
We're giving away a grilled set and a
griddle set.
griddle and grill set?
Yeah, barbecue grill set. In order to win, you need to comment below with the hashtag #ILikeItSpicy. And so we're going to do one winner for both of the products. We will pick a winner in 2 weeks. And of course, if you would like to buy the products, the link will be in the description box. Thank you guys so much for being a part of our family. Happy holidays.
From our family to yours.
We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!